Two schools for tonight's show. The number 22 seed Cornwall College up against the number 43 seed Bogwalk High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Cornwall College is represented this evening by team captain Darian Street, Rashawn Stewart, Uchene Njoku, and Joel Barrett. And Bogwalk High is represented by Malik Richards, Leonie Paisley, team captain Keely Brown, and Tyrell Myers. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to this 30th match in round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Bogwalk High won and decided to send Cornwall College in to bat first. So we begin with Cornwall College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Cornwall College, your first question is in Jamaican heritage. According to the Jamaican folk song, to which market was Aki carried but not a quati would sell?
Linstead Market.
That's right, Jamaican heritage for Bogwalk. According to the Jamaican folk song, where did Sammy plant a piece of corn? Correct. International affairs for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Evo Morales.
President of Bolivia. Correct. Bogwalk. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Angela Merkel.
Incorrect. Kolinda Grabar-Kitarovic, President of Croatia. French for Cornwall. What item is un taille-crayon?
Spoon.
Pencil sharpener or sharpener. French for Bogwalk. What is un bâton de craie?
Crayon.
A piece or stick of chalk. Music and audio clue for Cornwall College. Listen to the following clip and give the name of the singer.
I'm a man. I spell him.
Adam Levine.
Muddy Waters, Manish Boy. Music for Bogwalk. Listen to the following clip and give the name of this singer.
Yeah, name Sue. But you know just what to do. I got it.
I'm happy.
Little Richard, Tutti Frutti. Art for Cornwall. Andy Warhol was a leading figure in which visual art movement?
Pop art.
That's right. Art for Bogwalk. Which American pop artist created the work Wham?
David Pattinson.
Incorrect. Roy Lichtenstein. Theatre and cinema, a visual clue for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Anika Noni Rose.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Bogwalk. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Queen Latifah.
Incorrect. Gabure Sidibe. Bible knowledge for Cornwall. To whom were these words spoken? How is it that thou, being a Jew, asketh drink of me, which am a woman of Samaria?
Jesus.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Bogwalk. Who asked Ananias, why hast thou conceived this thing in thine heart? Thou hast not lied unto men, but unto God.
Peter.
Correct. Sport or visual clue for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
That's good.
Hervé Renard.
Incorrect. Antoine Griezmann. Sport for Bogwalk. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
What do you have, Spencer?
Incorrect. Romelu Lukaku. Biology. What is the name of the large triangular bone at the base of the human spine?
Sacrum.
Or sacrum, correct. Biology for Bog Walk. What is the name of the main trapezoidal-shaped bone at the back and lower part of the skull?
Cranium.
Occipital bone. Principles of business. What term, starting with I, describes a list of merchandise, raw materials, and goods of a company?
Inventory.
That's correct. Principles of business for Bog Walk. What term, starting with L, defines the legal debt of a company which has been acquired through the course of its operations?
Liability.
Very good. English language for Cornwall. What is the past participle of the verb slay? S-L-A-Y.
Slew.
Slain. Incorrect English language for Bog Walk. What is the past tense of the verb forsake?
Forsaken. Forsaken.
Forsook. General. And we won't have time to go any further. That bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Cornwall College on 7 points, Bog Walk High on 3 points. It'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's challenge quiz returns after these messages.